Learn how to make a homemade medicine to detox your kidneys using onions, parsley, and lemon. In stressful periods of our lives, we may end up compensating our anxiety, fears, and sadness with food. Has this ever happened to you? With the bad eating habits and lack of physical activities comes the bloating and weight gain. It is important to manage your meals and start exercising to help your body eliminate the toxins in it. In addition to following a healthy and balanced diet and practicing physical activities, there is something else you can do to get back on track. This drink will help your body work more efficiently and reduce fluid retention. Your body and health will feel so much better. And do you know which organ in your body is responsible for eliminating toxins and reducing liquid retention? Actually, there are two: the kidneys. Although they are relatively small compared to other organs, the kidneys are essential to our bodies. They are the ones who cleanse the blood from potentially harmful substances, in addition to regulating the body fluids and other functions. So today we will teach you how to prepare a drink using onion, parsley, and lemon. Do you know the benefits of these ingredients? Onion has been used for thousands of years in dishes and homemade medicines. Its role in our recipe is to improve kidney function with its diuretic action, helping in renal issues like kidney stones or kidney failure, and high blood pressure. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Parsley, besides improving digestion and having anti-inflammatory action, contributes to the immune system and helps detox the body. It helps eliminate the toxins and improves kidney and liver function, cleaning these organs and reducing their workload. This is amazing, isn't it? And lemon, besides giving energy and being a mood booster, also stimulates the immune system, detoxifies, treats anemia and constipation, and prevents some types of cancer. So now let's learn how to make this natural medicine to eliminate toxins, fight inflammation, strengthen the immune system, and reduce the risk of infections. Write down the ingredients: 67 ounces water, 2 raw onions, 3 bunches parsley, juice of 3 lemons, freshly squeezed. Bring the water to a boil. Peel the onions and slice them in small pieces. Pour the boiled water in a jar, add the onions, parsley, and lemon juice. Let it infuse for 2 hours, then strain the liquid. Drink it throughout your day, dividing the portion into 5 or 6 doses. Because of the excellent diuretic effect of these ingredients, do this treatment 3 times a week, preferably on alternate days. Do it for 1 or 2 weeks according to the level of detox that your kidneys need. While doing this treatment, avoid consuming salt or sodium, sugar, and saturated fats in excess. If you have acid reflux or gastric irritation, low blood pressure, or hypoglycemia, do not follow this treatment. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.